That the significance of this investigation, Project Maverick, is the largest organized crime investigation we've seen in Medicine Hat, and the results you see before you speak for themselves.
The investigation was unique in that the size and scope was far-reaching. Alert believes that Project Maverick implicated street-level dealers and all the way up the hierarchy of the investigation to the group's leadership.
This seizure will have undoubtedly an immediate impact on Medicine Hat and the surrounding communities that it was affecting before. The trickle-down impact of the drug trade is associated to acts of violence, property crimes, addiction, and health care costs. All Albertans pay the price for the drug trade.
Project Maverick is an outstanding example of the type of success Alert is having. Our Medicine Hat team has worked diligently alongside Medicine Hat Police Service to keep this community safe and the surrounding communities. I'm very proud of the success this investigation realized.